Hello my cheeky nuggies. This is not a knife review channel. I'm just some dude, so this is a casual review. Take it or leave it. But more interesting than that, I'm going to open this guy up and check out the inside later on. The first thing I noticed, of course, was the heft. As you would expect, the Scarab 2 is a bit heavier than a combat Troodon. The overall feel of the handle is boxy and fat. It's a fat boy. This knife likes to eat a lot of cake. There's some jimping there and some interesting subtle curves, but overall it's less slender and elegant, less ergonomic than the other Microtech knives. This thing is a beast and it does not try to be anything different. Now I'm sure you've noticed the button is bigger, but it's also better. The regular Microtech button is kind of the thumb equivalent of stepping on Legos. The Scarab 2's button, while it still has plenty of stepping, it's a lot smoother to the touch. Very nice. But what about the action itself? Well, the notorious Microtech stiffness has not gone anywhere. In fact, this knife is more stiff than the combat Troodon. I know some people don't like that, but keep in mind, your muscles will adapt to it. Some people like to say that these knives break in. They don't. You're the one who breaks in. So give it time. But yes, very stiff. It hits hard as you would expect. It definitely packs a punch and locks up tight. Blade play is standard Microtech, meaning not very much. The blade here is interesting. It's fluted. There's some interesting curvature at the front top of it. And then there's this long groove that runs across the top of the knife. I'm assuming that's for water displacement or something, I don't know. Very sharp tip for a single edge knife, and the proper cutting edge is razor sharp. This thing is a beast. It's big, heavy duty, right to the point, beast of a knife. If you had to choose between the combat Troodon or the Scarab 2, choose the combat Troodon. It is the perfect knife, but I have one already, so I'm happy with the Scarab 2. It's definitely different. So let's look inside and see if there's anything interesting. First of all, this knife is very tinker friendly, which Microtech should be applauded for. Proprietary crap is not friendly to the consumer. Do not let them deny you the right to repair things that you own. Regular Torx screws and the pocket clip / glass breaker can be removed simply by putting something thin in one of the holes there and wrenching it open. No special tool required. Microtech said in a recent video that this knife had the dual spring system. I just went back to check if that's really what he said, and it is. That video clearly states this knife also has a dual spring system like some of the older ones. However, it is not true. There is only one main spring, but to its credit, it is much bigger and stronger than even the combat Troodons. Inside the knife is standard fare. There is a new standalone piece that controls the switch here. That used to be part of the assembly, but now it's distinct. Although the internals here are new, the mechanism itself is similar to all the others. So yeah, on the inside of this guy, there's no surprises, really. But I guarantee you, the main spring on this will be much less subject to any kind of breakage. Did I cover everything?
I think so.
She thinks so. So overall, big, loud, proud. I like this knife a lot, but keep in mind, while it's very tinker friendly, it is not so much as user friendly. The combat Troodon would make a much more appropriate big first knife, if that's what you're looking for. but I do like it a lot. And seeing as how it can shoot underwater, I now don't have to worry about sharks and the shark menace that has been plaguing my landlocked state of Tennessee. Yeah, Jaws is definitely gonna leave you alone now. Well, hope you enjoyed this peek inside the Scarab 2. At this time, this is the only video or photo of the internals of the knife. Actually, the first review on YouTube as well. Go me! Stay stabby, my friends. That's my catchphrase. If this turns into a knife channel, that will be my catchphrase. Stay stabby, my friends.